Good day to you, this is Rain, founder of Forex Academy Private Limited. So today on the weekly market analysis, let's look at Euro-Dollar. Euro-Dollar on the daily chart, we can see that it has created two high, giving a bullish movement. Right now, market have retest on the support level, fantastic level for traders who are looking for buying opportunity to engage a trade. Head down to the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, you can see that the candle just rested very nicely on the support line. And to the 1-hour chart, on the 1-hour chart, you can see a lot of these whipsaw movement showing market volatility picking up within this area. So you can take note of this very strong this candle tail wick over here to show that weakness of moving downwards. Alright, so head back to daily chart. I'll share with you my analysis on the daily chart. There is this bearish Gartley formation that are looking for a counter trend trading opportunity at 1.1430, and within this zone is the buy zone over here. The blue rectangle is the buying area. Head down to the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, you can see there's a mini zone over here that I'm looking for engagement for a buying opportunity. So right now, market does give another opportunity for me to go in for an aggressive buy. So traders who are looking to long this trade, your stop loss will be below this box, 1.180, and you have to add in a buffer on that. Alright, so head down to 1-hour chart. Sadly, this is a trade if you have took, great for you. A bearish bad pattern has completed both target and right now have tested the support, so this bad pattern no longer valid. You can remove it. Alright, so that's all I have for you today. If you love to see the development of this trade, join us on Wednesday 6:08 PM Singapore time on www.facebook.com/forexcenter.org. Till then, remember always plan your trade and trade your plan, and I'll see you soon on the next video.